Hello, wisdom seekers. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with Blue Tiger's Eye, the stone of communication. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Shannon. I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher, a certified gemologist, and a published author, and I combine these skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. If you would like to check out my book, Crystal Wisdom, Unearthing the Power of Gemstones for Positive Life Change, I will link to that in the eye above or in the description box below. These guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, listening to the supportive benefits, how it can help you in your life, and deciding if that's a gemstone that you would like to work with more. And today we're going to be doing that with Blue Tiger's Eye. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of Blue Tiger's Eye, then I will also link to that in the eye above. If you have a piece of Blue Tiger's Eye, then this is a good time to pause the video, go get your Tiger's Eye, and put that next to your meditation space. But you do not need the gemstone to benefit from this guided meditation. You can picture the stone in your mind, listen to the prompts about its healing benefits, and decide if this is a gemstone you would like to purchase and work with some more. The only other thing that you will need before we start this guided meditation is a comfortable seat. So that could be on a meditation cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside, just as long as you can stay alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes during this meditation. So if you have your Blue Tiger's Eye, also known as Hawk's Eye, or you're ready to picture it in your mind, and you have your comfortable seat, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And notice what it feels like to breathe right now. How does this feel in your body? Bring your awareness to your entire physical body and notice if there are any sensations that stand out to you right now. And then check in with your heart center and notice if there are any emotions sitting with you right now. And then bringing your attention to the state of your mind. How is your mind right now? Calm, distracted, busy? And we're not trying to change or fix anything. Just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. And then drifting your attention to those places on your body that touch the cushion or chair or the ground beneath you. And remember that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, supported by the whole mass of the planet. You're sitting directly over its center. And you have access to all of the energy of the earth. So it will hold you and protect you during this guided meditation today. If you do have a piece of blue tiger's eye, then place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the benefits of the gemstone today. And if you don't have a piece of blue tiger's eye, then picture a midnight blue shimmery crystal in your mind. Now, as you're holding the stone, take a minute to feel the weight of it in your hand, to run your fingers over the surface, and to get to know your piece of blue tiger's eye. And imagine as you're sitting that roots spread down from your legs down into the earth beneath you, helping you feel rooted and grounded. And at the same time, your upper body expands like the wide branches of a tree. And sit with this image of blue tiger's eye energy for a minute. Blue tiger's eye is the stone of communication. And as you hold or imagine the stone, consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Could you use some stability and grounding right now? Are you afraid to express your thoughts and opinions? Would you like to improve your communication skills? Will you be speaking in public soon? Will you need to share what you have learned? For an example, are you a student, a teacher, an advisor who will be sharing your knowledge? Blue tiger's eye is extremely supportive in all of these situations. And if one of these scenarios, these questions stood out to you more than the others, then bring it back to your heart, your body, and your mind, and sit with this for another minute or two while you hold or picture the blue tiger's eye. Notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about that situation as you hold the stone. Notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, or your mind since you started this guided meditation. And then release the image of the blue tiger's eye energy and the scenario you were sitting with, and just come back to your breathing. And then when you feel ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for sitting with me to meditate with blue tiger's eye today. And I hope that this was useful. And if you felt like this is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then these meditations were meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the supportive benefits of that gemstone when you need it. And that is the essence of incorporating crystal wisdom into your practical life so that you can improve your life experience. Knowing which situations in life that you would like support with, which gemstones will help you, and using them when you need them. That will help initiate transformation and life change. If you're new to the channel or you've been watching my videos and you enjoy them and you haven't yet subscribed, please do hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.